Okay. Hello, my name is Jeffrey Lopez. So I'm a caregiver. I'm 36 years old, and I've been working as a caregiver for almost 1 year. I've handled at least about different patients depending on where my agency will dispatch me to take care of someone who need care. And then of course it's uh, it's a good job that you earn a little bit uh, earnings or income. But aside from that, I enjoy the job because it makes me feel like I'm at home, like I'm caring of my own family, like my grandpa or my father. So it's like a job, like you're at the same time you're at home. Aside from the aside from that, it's also a wonderful thing that you meet other people that that you care for, and get more more people and meet new friends, their family members, and and make a lot of acquaintance. And then so I think I'm very much qualified to this position because I'm very caring, passionate for my job, and very compassionate to the needy, to the elderly. And then I'm very punctual, professional, and I would say also responsible for everything that I'm taking care of. So my previous experiences, so I work with patients with dementia, Alzheimer's, with stroke patients, and with somebody who have a respiratory problems. So aside from babysitting, I'm sorry, I'm not babysitting, senior care. I'm also when I am my time, I used to travel and enjoy sightseeing, going to parks, walking, jogging, and playing basketball. So if you have if you are interested in myself, so I'm very free to work anytime, as soon as possible. I'll be just give me a call or give me an email if you want to meet me in person for an interview. Thank you very much.